Happy Boshmas!
Yes! Finally, it's Boshing Day. We've been waiting for this day for so long. Ian, mate, I've got you a gift.
Oh, it's funny you should say that because I got you a gift too.
I know you've been waiting for this for 10 days.
10 solid days.
I had a great Christmas, but I was really just waiting for Boshing Day.
Yes. Yeah, I wonder what this could be.
Yes!
Oh, yes!
That is
Yes.
exactly what I was hoping for. It is the Bosh Healthy Vegan Cookbook. How did you know?
Oh, likewise, how did you know? Do you know what, right? I reckon that this is the perfect thing to receive on a day like today after all the food that we've eaten over Christmas.
Exactly, because we've been, indulging a little bit, roast dinners, mushroom Wellingtons.
Mate, look at how nice that looks. Look, rainbow stir fry for the win. It just looks crunchy and colourful and crispy and delightful.
There you have it. That is Healthy Vegan. That is a gorgeous thing. Perfect for January if you're looking to get all your nutrients on a vegan diet, lose a bit of weight, build some muscle. This is the book for you.
Easier, tastier, leaner. Swipe up to get your copy. It could change your life.